Hi, everyone. Today I'm going to show you this is how to fixing this two white and black wires, this Christmas lights. So they can take this wire and they're going to get started this wires. Here you go. Okay, so let's see this three wires to the switch controller. So you're gonna take it and get started. Here you go. Okay, so let's plug it in. Let's turn on your plug on. Okay, and we take this power. So get to take your power here, and look at this testing, and look at this power. Here you go. Okay, this is too bright, this LED, red, yellow, green, blue. So I can take it this power and look at start with this power. This is on. Here you go. It does Christmas lights, and the character is lights here, and there is lights. Get started. Okay, let's see this. Okay, let's plug this. Your plug. There you go. Okay, so taking this segment of this plug, the three wires. This take use my tester here. This black, white, or green. So let's see this wires. There you go. Okay, they use this take using the wire strippers, and then zip this on this, and they take use this strippers, and they then strip this, snip this off, and they take use the wires off. There you go. If they check this, the wires down off. Take this off. There you go. Okay, so take the wires down. There you go. Remove the wires down. There. To take it this to this green wire, and they can take it using this up, cut this away, and they can take it this wires, this the green. Okay, let's strip the protect. This strip the other one, and then they strip this up, and they can take you strip this wire, and then they can take you using this strip the protect, and they can pull wires, the two wires. Let's take it this wire, strip this up, and strip this up, this, and then just strip this up. Okay, then strip it, put it down, then I pull there. Okay, that's wires, and that's to three ground, and they take this twist this to hot, and they can take this take the wall max wire, and they can take it, you strip this that, and then pull. Okay, let's strip this wires, and then the two greens, and then snip this off. There we go. There's two wires to green. Just 5 wires, and then just the 5 wires into grounding wires, and just to trace it out, and then the trace the wires just ground. There you go. Okay, let's three wires is what this electrical thing. There you go. Okay, that was three wires here, and they can take it this put it there to take a price here, and then they choose to put the wires, disconnecting wires, and they get this then there's the three wires here that lock, and then put these wires down. There you go. Take it, also put the wires down, take it, lock, okay, let's cut this off. There. Okay, let's flip these wires, and they get the chain this pull, and they could then strip this. They strip the wires here, and those pull, and pull the wires down. Then okay, and let us three wires here, and pull it down. Okay, so three this green wires. Did strip the spread then. And pull it up, and pull this up. Okay, pull this down. There you go. So they got to change this 5 wires. If this 5 wires is connected, there you go. Okay, let's take this really take this quick fixing. So okay, let's take wires, take the part ground neutral wires, and they can take this crystal light wires, and they could take a testing, and let's plug it in. There you go. Okay, let's take your testing. Let's testing out. Okay, black, 2 whites, 1 green, and 2 blacks. There you go. Okay, so let's turn on. Okay, let's plug it on. There you go. Okay, let's testing. Oh, there, works. And look at let's see this basically this is I think it is fixing these wires here, and look at this very nice. Okay, here you go. Okay, today is how to fix the 5 wires, the LED Christmas lights, and see you next time.